Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel TWH Academy. Today we are going to learn about do versus make sentence. So let's find the difference. A mess, make a mess. A favor, do a favor. Sense, make a sense. The laundry, do the laundry. An assignment, do an assignment. Money, make money. A decision, make a decision. Business, do business. Research, do research. The shopping, do the shopping. Some exercise, do some exercise. A list, make a list. A suggestion, make a suggestion. A discovery, make a discovery. An exercise, do an exercise. A translation, do a translation. Peace, make peace. Changes, do changes. A phone call, make a phone call. A mistake, make a mistake. Something right, do something right. Your best, do your best. A sandwich, make a sandwich. Your hair, do your hair. Alright, it's time to end. Thanks for watching my video. If you are fresh on my channel, then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for getting my new videos. And if anyone is interested in online tuition, then he or she can contact me by email, which is showing on your screen. See you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.